Our step number one is we go to Digistore24.com, and you guys can see we directly go to the marketplace for selecting a product, right? So scroll down, you guys can see there is a lot of products, but we're gonna go with a low ticket product for this video because I have a really cool free traffic method strategy I'm gonna show you. So you guys can see in categories, internet marketing and e-business is known as make money online. So these are all the offers, but these all are high ticket products. We want to find a low ticket offer because we are promoting through free traffic method. That's why we need a low ticket offer. So you guys can see this is offer click wealth system. So first is this website is very popular website. Why? Because this offer is very popular. Why? Because this offer you guys can also find in ClickBank. This is a very popular offer in ClickBank, and a lot of people are promoting this offer in ClickBank, but a lot of people don't know this offer is also exist in Digistore. So first of all, we see the sales page. Click this and let's see the sales page of this video, this offer. So give me 5 minutes, I will show you how you can generate your first paycheck. So this is a very catchy headline again. So we're gonna select this product and we're gonna promote this one. Okay, so you guys just click promote and get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. Okay, and I'm gonna show you where you guys can promote. You guys go to google.com and type the freeadform.com. So understand this is not just a free advertising site. This is a marketplace. A lot of people came in this site, are finding jobs, buying and selling homes and stuff like this. I'm gonna show you, and this website is very popular in US, UK, Canada because a lot of people came from these websites. Might be a lot of people don't know, but a lot of people are coming from this side. You guys can see location Australia, Canada, posting jobs and finding jobs from, and you guys can see United States, Canada, United Arab Emirates. Also almost worldwide people came in this website, and some people are finding jobs, related services, jobs, communities. You guys can see a lot of people are finding attorney lawyers from this website. Okay, so this is a very popular site almost around the world, and a lot of people came here and finding stuff. So for example, I just type affiliate marketing and let's see what we got. We type affiliate marketing in search and let's see. It will take few seconds, and you guys can see there is a lot of people are promoting their stuff. You guys can see these all are ads. So for example, I came in this website and I want to know related to affiliate marketing. If you click affiliate marketing, and you guys can see we just see a lot of offers, or you call it a lot of stuff related to affiliate marketing. You guys can see. So there is a lot of stuff, and I told you this is a marketplace. You guys just minimum maximum price listing with pictures or any other thing. These are we call it filter. So I'm gonna show you how you guys can promote your ad. So we directly go back to this form, and you guys can see publish your free ad. Once you sign up is very easy. You guys just enter your email, password, and your account will be created very easy. You guys can see publish your ad for free. Click this, and I'm gonna show you in a second. And you guys can see in here we gonna select promote our ad. So first of all, you guys can see category. Click this, and there's a lot of categories related to this, but we are promoting affiliate marketing. So let's see. You guys can see affiliate marketing. Click this, and we're gonna add our description. I'm gonna show you in a second, but I'm also gonna add my title. So this is my title. You guys can see, first of all, I'll show you. Make $5,000 to $100,000 a week with this affiliate marketing strategy. Okay, and here is, if you are struggling to make money online, I'm gonna show you a free strategy that that's how you guys can make $500 to $10,000 a week per week. Okay, this might be a free strategy that I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I think I did a mistake, but this free training reveals my proven 3 method step. And click here and watch the method, and this is my affiliate link, And if you want to bold something like this, click this and this will be bold. And I will add a description a little bit like this, and you guys can see now our ad looks good. Very basic, simple, but remember the main thing is our title. The more catchy your title is, the more clicks you guys are getting. So scroll down. If you guys want to add, for example, a price, so go with it, but I don't want to add a price. Okay, so scroll down and now you guys select a country. So right now I'm United States, so United States selected. We're gonna promote with United States. In the region, you guys not allowed to promote in whole United States. You guys must select a region. Click this, and for example we go with New York. New York is one of the popular cities in the world. In cities, you guys must select a specific city, so I'm go with, like, for example, Adams. So you guys just did not select area address. Okay, we are not need this stuff. So again, keywords is really important one. Oh, sorry, I just click enter. Wait a minute. So you guys can see once we added our keywords, if anybody type our keyword, our ad will pops up. Okay, if you guys want to add, for example, website, go with it, phone number, Facebook, or anything. So I don't like to add website, right? If you want to add, make sure add it your affiliate link, but right now, so I'm go with add my affiliate link. I also added in description. Scroll down and you guys just click this. Okay, like this. So if you want to add your, if you have YouTube video, go with it, but I don't like to go with it. I also did not recommend to add your YouTube video. Okay, and now you guys can see these guys are also allowing you to make 100x views on your ad, or 20x or 5x. What is mean by that? If you pay them a $20, these guys will give your ad rank in the first. Okay, if you give them a $20 for 90 days, your ad will show in the top of the ads in a specific city. If you pay them a $5, your ad again show all of the ads. You guys get more than 20x more views. If you get again, if you guys give them a $5, again these guys will like 5x your view. You guys can get more 5x views. Okay, but in a specific city, that is the thing which I don't like. These guys will only show in a specific city, so that's why I am not recommending to spend any money. Make sure do with free method. If you want to spend like $20 or $30, make sure start affiliate marketing with Facebook or YouTube ads. Okay, so once you guys did this, then you guys don't select these ones. You guys must select this. But remember one thing, I forget a thing. You guys scroll all the way up and you guys can see click or drop for upload images. You guys must add one image, at least one image. Click this and we're gonna upload our image. So I have an image is, wait a minute, there you go. So I got this image from Google. This is a very attractive image related to make money online. Again, you guys can see this is our category, headline, description with our affiliate link. I would love to bold this one, our affiliate link. Scroll down, you guys can, this is our ad image. Make sure add a really catchy image. United States, we edit every single thing, and don't select these ones, because if you select these ones, this will cost you money. Okay, so make sure go with free ones, no thanks, and just click publish. It will take few seconds and your ad will be published. And now if anybody type affiliate marketing, make money online, your ad will pops up. So our ad is published right now. You guys go to your account, my account, click this, and I'm gonna show you listing. So this is not ad, this is my listing. You guys can see here, manage my listings. So wait for a few seconds. So you guys can see that our listing, you guys can see your listing from here. You guys just click this and now you guys can see how your ad looks like. Okay, it will take few seconds again. So you can see that our ad looks really good. This is our ad. Make headline, make 5 to 10 $1,000 a week with this affiliate marketing strategy. So this is our location where we targeted our, okay, and here is the image again. There is, and you guys scroll down and visit our website. So you guys click this. If anybody clicks this, they'll directly go to our website. So you guys must add the website URL, okay? And now if anybody types affiliate marketing or make money online, your ad will show up, and these guys are all the time trying to push you to buy this offer. But you guys make sure do not buy. If you want to spend money, make sure spend in Facebook ads. If you want to, make sure in this website you guys must do a free traffic method, okay? Free, you guys must upload ads for free. It will take some time, but you guys must upload. So for example, we just type affiliate marketing and let's see is our ad is showing or not. So there's a lot of ads. It will take some time to rank our ad, but right now I'm just seeing not that our ad is showing or not. So it will take few seconds again. So scroll down and let's see if our ad is showing or not. So you guys can see that our ad is here. This is our ad. If I click this, and this is our ad, and there you go, this is our ad. Okay, you guys can see our ad is published in this location, and now everybody in this location can see this ad. Okay,